What's up, guys? Back at it again for another 40-ounce malt liquor video. On the menu today is going to be Colt 45. This is not the liquor, but videos per request of somebody. So this goes out to you, little buddy. You know who you are. Yeah, my stomach's been messed up lately too. Bad messed up. But it's all good though. Salute. Don't throw the cap. Not really my dealio. For you, little buddy. So, it comes to my attention that obviously, I guess malt liquor is really not as popular as it used to be, guys, which is a sad thing for me. But it is what it is, though. And these are the good ones. These are how you fucking make them, like this. Well, you guys can't see that, but it's a pretty fancy little thing going on there. Yes, it's dark in here, I understand that. But the crazy part about it is, it's fucking dark in here. My girlfriend's place is fucking haunted, and I only have like 2 lights on. What sense does that make? Well, I'll tell you what sense that makes. I ain't no bitch, is what it comes down to. So, off we go. That's a blow cloud, bitches. That one's for you too, little buddy. Ooh, that was a good one. Ooh, Colt 45 does it every time. Colt 45 and 2 zigzags. Baby, that's all we need. And a vaporizer. And some fucking weed. Wait, I already said that. Anyways, so been a couple weeks since I made a video. You guys are back in the cupboard again, FYI, so check this shit out. Back in the cupboard again. So, last video I made, I think it was, my girlfriend was in there. You guys didn't like that too much. I only got a couple views on that one. It sucks. I don't know why it didn't get viewed more, but you know, it is what it is. Fuck it. Oh well. That never gets old. Ever gets old. Ever. Good and juice this little baby right on. I'm vaping the Raging Donut again as usual. With some deluxe pancake man. Breakfast. Vape your breakfast is what it said. Even though that doesn't sound very good because it said something about bacon and eggs, and I don't know. Call me crazy. 3.5 minutes in. I guess I better get the fucking chugging out. Hey, Tommy. Got something for you, little buddy. How was that? Enjoyable? Alright. Good stuff. Come to find out, can't make videos longer than 15 minutes, or YouTube just says, go get fucked. So, guess it's 10-minute videos for me only. So I got 6 minutes to drink this beer pretty much. It never gets old. Ever. Hey, Tommy, I got something else for you. It's coming from right here. Man. Well, whew. Those are some fucking powerful burps there, big guy. Well, yeah, on top of it, I'm drinking a the Moscow Mule too. This is a 20-ounce cup. I like to get faded on a regular fucking basis. If you don't like that I get fucking faded, don't fucking watch my videos. If you do like that I get faded, watch them all day long, because that's all I do is get fucked up. By the way, this is fucking delicious. So, this is something I came up with. The first 10 people, 10, to comment on this video will get a shout out. What is it, Janice? Guys, that's my girlfriend's cat. Janice, I don't have nothing for you right now. I'll feed you in a little bit. First 10 people. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. I think is how I said it. I could be wrong. I don't know. So, get it how you live. First 10 people. I would play some music, but, well, it's just not going down like that right now. Fuck. Oh, yeah. You guys check this shit out. So, when I was in fucking prison a while back, I had to fight with somebody and I got a tooth cracked. And then I ended up in a halfway house. And it hurt so bad in the middle of the night that I fucking just had them go pull it. And the tooth was just fine. They could have fixed it, but it hurt so much that I did not want to keep it. I said, fuck that tooth. It was pissing me off. It had to go. Like all those fucking skanky bitches I've known, they're pissing me off. They had to go. All of them. And now I'm on to a new one, and hopefully she sticks around. And if not, I mean, that's going to suck because I really love her a lot. But, I mean, can't make people do what they don't want to do, right? If people don't want to act right, you can't make them. You can't fucking make them act right. Anyways, sorry about that. I had a moment there, guys. I'm in the house by myself so I can act up. Well, the cat's here, but she ain't gonna tell nobody. Well, now you guys know whoever's watching, but get it how you live, right? Let's quit dicking around and fucking peel this 40 off. What's taking me so long? 7 minutes? Holy fuck. Here we go. Salute. Ooh. That fucking Colt 45 gives some gas, though. Quite a bit. Here we go. This one's for you, little buddy. Check this out. That one was kind of weak. Was it, didn't bring me up from deep enough. Fuck. Reminds me back in the day. Way back in the day. Way back in the day. Now, next order of business. Funny thing is, I got 3 kids. I guess I'll be having 4 here shortly, which is not something I'm looking forward to. Because the girl I'm having a baby with is a fucking psychopath. Not my girlfriend, which is crazy. Because I got my wife pregnant, soon to be ex-wife, before I started messing with my girlfriend. So now I'm going to have a girlfriend with a baby with another woman. But I'm going to have a girlfriend, she wants to have babies too. So I'm going to have like 10 fucking kids before it's all said and done. Guess I better have a damn good job or one strong fucking hustle, one of the two, right? There's a door over there. Over that way. Over yonder. It goes down to the basement. At the bottom, there's a door. I close that door and I lock it. I have paranoia that there's a ghost down there that's going to come over here and get me. But it's not just made up in my head, though. Other people have been here and strange occurrences have happened. Very fucking strange ones. So, why have the lights off? Because I ain't no bitch. That's why. Salute. Oh, that was for you for sure, little buddy. That one was. So, majorly large fucking shout out to you, Tommy. I don't want to say your whole name. I don't know if you want anybody to know that, but major shout out to you there, big dog. Thank you. You are greatly appreciated, young man, old man, whatever you may be. And, well, I guess people like video requests, and when they like video requests, I make them. For a reason. whatever that reason may be is mine. But either way, still, yeah. This is one hell of a device there, guys. One hell of a device. It's got a zipper coil on it that I made myself, which is what it's called, with the Sig Pet and the Fuchai. This is a little itty bitty vaporizer. This thing is fucking tiny. Pumping out 175 watts of fucking tasty fucking goodness. Fucking tasty. Delicious. So good, makes you not want to eat sometimes. Well, just kidding, but... Oh, fucking itchy. 10:44. I guess I better hurry up. Get to the 11-minute mark. Lucky number, right? Yes, we'll do the label out at the end, right? We'll do the swale site. Fuck that shit. This one's for you, little buddy, and I'm gone and I'm out after this one. Ooh, see you later, guys.